Hello everyone, welcome back to Sankesala. In the previous lecture, we discussed the sources and importance of data. Today, we are moving forward to talk about the important concepts, population and sample in statistics. These are the building blocks for understanding how we collect and analyze data. Let's start the video. What is a population? A population in statistics refers to the entire group of individuals or objects we want to study. It includes all relevant data points. For example, if we want to study the health of a country's citizens, then entire citizen of the country is a part of the population. Populations have certain characteristics such as the mean, which is the average value of the data, and the variance, which shows how much the data varies. We also look at the proportion, like the percentage of the citizens who exercise regularly. Here are some examples of population. All students in a school, if you are interested in studying their academic performance, all animals in a forest, if you want to research their habits, all citizens of a country if you are looking into public health. Let us now talk about what is a sample. Studying an entire population can be difficult and expensive, especially if it's very large. That's why we use a sample. A sample is a subset of the population that is selected for this study. It's like taking a small piece of the population to learn about the whole group. Think of it like this. If you wanted to test a dish you are cooking, you wouldn't eat the whole things. You had to take a small bite. That bite represents the sample and the dish represents the population. Here are some examples of samples. If you survey 1000 students out of all the students in a school, that's your sample. If a scientist collects data from 100 trees in a forest, that's a sample of all the trees. Why we use samples? Using a sample saves times and resources. If we tried to collect data from every individual in a population, it could be expensive and take a long time. A well-chosen sample can give us the information we need without needing to study everyone. To sum it up, a sample is a smaller part of the population that we actually collect data from. It's important to choose a good sample because it helps us make accurate conclusions about the entire population. So that's the basic idea behind populations and samples. Understanding these two concepts, key to know how data is collected and used in statistics. This is the end of this video. In next lecture, we'll talk about sampling method and learn how to select a good sample from a population. Till then, take care, have a nice learning.